back to our channel. I am currently, I don't know if you can tell by the mess, working on the tops for our counters.
What are you going to do with all this mess here?
Well, I got a place to hang up over there, but it's always in the way, so I just laying it there for now.
Well, maybe you should come up with something.
Well, I've got some PVC. I can make some pipes that I've always wanted to do and get done, but haven't taken the time.
There's no time like the present.
Yeah. What do you think about that, huh? I guess maybe I'll stop this project for right now since it's her countertops, and I'll put them.
It's your house too.
And put them up, hang them up in the wall where I was thinking about. All right, so I'm going to stop this video for right now, and I'll go get the pipe, and I'll talk to you what I think I'm going to do. Okay, this is the idea. You know, we've all seen all over the internet these clamps hanging on pipes and stuff like that. Well, that's the idea since I've been fairly new shop, and I just threw a bunch of stuff in here, just piled up. You can see my shelves are just full of junk. It needs to be organized and sorted and stuff. And I figured since she mentioned it, maybe I could get her to help me do this. Oh, hi. So what I had out back here is a couple of pipes. This is, I think it's a 2-inch. I could have used a 1-inch, but hey, you use what you got on hand, so I don't need that. And this is a 3-inch, and it's a thin wall, which I think should be fine enough. What it is I'm going to do, I'm going to cut these up and use these boards and scrap. Oh, no, I said scrap from a pallet, yeah. And I'm going to put it between the rafters and screw it up in there. The reason I'm going to use that is so that I don't screw into my roofing.
Oh, that's a good plan.
And cut these into, I'm thinking maybe just long enough to maybe a foot, so that I can actually get 10. If I do it at 5 inches, let's see, maybe I'll do it 6 inches. I think will be fine. So I'll cut this up at 6 inches, or I'll have Amy cut it up at 6 inches each, and just create a bunch. Then I can line them up there, and then this will be for my power tools. I'll slide down inside of there, and my nail guns, which I actually want to put over my shelving that I just put up over here, and make that where I hang, since that's where I got my screws and my drills bits and stuff like that, all in the same spot. So I'm going to get her set up cutting, and I'll start attaching lumber. We can cut lumber to make it fit up in here, and I'll measure to see how many will fit, and we'll move from there. All right. The first thing we want to do is we're going to do is set a jig up here. Well, that's drilled out. Now the question is, why so many? Well, in a wood shop, you can never have enough clamps. So even if this isn't enough, there isn't enough clamps to go on these, they'll be filled. It's a little bigger because I'm using what I had. Like I said, there's no sense in going out and buying any more than what I got. And I'm just gonna put them across, and I'm moving the camera now. Alright, well, as you can see, I had to put this bar up here. I didn't make these pipes long enough, but that's okay. I put a piece of used, looks like a piece of oak, I'm not sure, up here to actually lift the back end, because some of these pipes were a little heavier. If I had a 1-inch, I would have used a 1-inch and it wouldn't have been a problem. Just make it a little bit longer. But you use what you got, and that's what I'm doing here. Using what I got. So I think now I'll load it up. that looks like it's everything. I'm not seeing any more hanging around or laying around. So I think that does it. I will work on the next one now. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put pipes here to hang these all through here. So I'm thinking about 8 inches, and then cut just a little bit deep, and then screw it up into here. That'll give me room under here to store stuff, and the drill bits and stuff over here, and the nails for my nail guns. And all right, and I'm going to use some thin wall PVC, so we'll see how that works. I mean, I've got it. I may as well do it. I think that'll wrap it up. I've been wanting to do that for a long time. Now I can start cleaning out my cabinets and use them for cabinets, which I've got a good idea what I want to do there. So, all right, I just got to put everything away and I'll be done. I want to thank you for watching our channel. The projects I got done today are going to actually help me in the long run, and with working with getting this all set up here and then getting the clamps set up here, that stuff is out of the way and I can go on continue working on our countertops. Alright, thanks for watching. Click on the subscribe and the little bell icon, and that'll let you know the next time one of us uploads a video. Thanks a lot for watching. We appreciate it.